Some amazing reviews by Zane and the accessories that we are soon to have in our range of tools. But yeah, let me take you guys through this brand new big boy here. This is the D25614, the 45mm SDS Max heavy duty rotary hammer that has been recently produced by DEWALT. So let me tell you the difference between SDS Plus and SDS Max. For those of you that are drilling holes from, let's say, about 6mm right up to 32mm, it's ideal for you to use a SDS Plus. But any holes bigger, you'd have to use a SDS Max. That's where this big boy comes in. The machine is equipped with a 1350 watt motor that produces 10.5 joules of impact energy. With that, the machine is a two mode, meaning that you can chisel with it and you can do rotary drilling with it. This machine is part of the Perform and Protect range of power tools, which means that the machine has been designed to high European safety standards. The DEWALT range of Perform and Protect power tools provide a line of defense against vibration, dust inhalation, and total loss of tool control. The D25614 features an anti-rotating system. This system detects when the user has lost control and prevents the user from twisting or breaking his arm. High vibrating tools can cause wear and tear on joints. The D25614 is fitted with a shock absorbing handle that reduces vibration when the machine is in use, this protecting the user at all times. The machine is equipped with two warning lights. One that will indicate when brushes needs to be changed, and the second one will indicate when the machine is due for a service. The D25614 has electronic speed and impact control. This allows the user to select different speeds and impacts when drilling or chiseling in different materials. This big boy is packed with a whole lot of features that you'll only appreciate when using. So if you need any more information or a demo, make contact with us. But for now, let's talk impact wrenches.